Hi lovely people, I hope you're well. Drew up the shine, welcome back. Just another quick video just to show you what we've been up to. Sorry for lack of updates. Been really busy. It's been really hot as well, so last week or so has been a bit tricky, especially trying to do paint protection film, which we've done on this brand new 992. I think it's Gentian Blue the colour, straight from Porsche to Xpel, so not too far. What is it now? 26 degrees. So yeah, we've had a little bit of a struggle. But I wanted to give you a quick walk around. The car's had full Xpel Ultimate Plus paint protection film. So that's everything we've wrapped. Spoiler, I'll show you. Roof. This one's got a panoramic sunroof, but you can do the two pieces before and after. And customer's ready, well, he's on his way, so I just thought I'd give you a quick walk around. It's a little bit windy outside, it's a bit cloudy, and I'm not sure if it's going to rain, so we're just going to quickly do it in the uni. So yeah, here we go. So as you can see, it's looking nice. So yeah, did the rear bumper, managed to get it pretty well. Didn't want to take all the letters off. So there is, it's quite good actually, kind of goes all into there, and I did manage to get it all in really. I don't like taking the letters off, it just causes more aggro, unless the customer wants to get in, then you try and stick the sticker on and then cut all these out. It's just a freaking nightmare, so managed to get that on. We've got a little, just show you, there's a little bit of fluid there, you can't really see. It's just a little bit of gel, but that's nothing to worry about, that'll go, and there's another piece down there you didn't see. But yeah, it's only a small, so that'll go, it'll just evaporate out the film once we get some panel temperature in. But yeah, first 992, we've done a few GT3s, 991s, this is 992, it's quite nice. All wide body. So yeah, quarters, rear quarters, doors, handles, and then just everything whole front. And the two pieces on the roof are, there's just a piece there, that's the panoramic roof, and there's a front piece. Looks nice. Yeah, wrapped inside there. Didn't wrap inside there because it's dark blue and it's pretty close to the edge. So yeah, just wrapped inside there. Again, you can't take the headlights out on these, unfortunately. We took the badge out, so the badge has been removed, and then obviously we just wrapped up the edges. On this now, you've just got like a little bit of a relief cut because of the shape of the bonnet. LED headlights, I think, as well. And I could show you inside. I'm not a big fan of these handles. These handles go flush. The old ones were so nice, you could just pull them. These have got a funny weight to them, they're like electrified, and then when obviously they go in, you've probably seen all the reviews, but I don't personally like them, they feel too heavy for me. Nice interior. First one I've really been close up to really. So I've seen the videos, so you've got obviously, they've kept the odometer, which is nice, and then you've got a screen, and then you've got the multifunction screen there. Only thing is, this is all a bit plasticky. Also you've got plastic door handles. And then you've got a brawn shaver for a reversing for the gear, which is a bit, it looks nice, but compared to the old one, which was machined from billet aluminium, it's a bit cheap. So these are all the instrument dials you get, and I think you can customise these. And then everything else is on here. So if you wanted to put the spoiler down, you have to go into this now. You have to get your finger on it, and it actually shows you on there, which is quite cool. So that's that. And then when the ignition's on, I think all these buttons light up. So you drive select, parks down here, heated seats. Yeah, it's quite nice. It's just plastic, obviously, but it's a nice place to be. So switch it off. there you go folks, hope you like it. As I say, sorry for lack of updates, try and keep on top of it. We've got quite a few more cars coming in. Hope you like it. Yeah, anything else, please let me know and we'll try and keep up to date as soon as we can. Thanks for watching, take care, see you, bye.